Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the rear wiper on a Ford Explorer. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks securely into its upright position. This prepares the arm for safe blade removal and prevents accidental damage to your vehicle's paint or glass. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old blade straight off the wiper arm. It should detach with minimal effort. Once removed, set the old blade aside for proper disposal. Installing your new wiper blade is straightforward. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's locked into position. Give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it's securely fastened and won't come loose during operation. This step is crucial for safety. For the final steps, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Ensure it rests flat against the glass. Now, turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper. Observe its operation. It should move smoothly and clear the window effectively. Confirm that you have clear visibility and your new wiper is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.